Hello guys, review smartphone Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S. Start unpacking. Open box. Look, completion. In completion we have this message. Okay. Key for SIM slot. Adapter USB Type-C to headphones jack. USB Type-C cable. Adapter for charging. Device and protected back cover. Okay, good completion. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of glass and metal. On the front side we have 6-inch display, front camera and talk speaker. On the right side slot for 2 nano SIM card. On the left side slot for 2 nano SIM card, on the right side power key and wall keys, back side double camera LED and fingerprint scanner, upside without controls, downside we have USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Okay, turn on device, open settings, about phone, version Xiaomi Global 10.0, Mi 10.0.2.0, version Android 8.0.0. Okay, close this, open Geekbench 4. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. This is octa-core processor. First 4 cores work 1.7 GHz, second 4 cores work 2.8 GHz powerful cores. GPU Adreno 630, RAM memory 6 GB, internal memory 64 GB. Look results, CPU test, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Close this, open next test, Antutu benchmark, Antutu score, then touch support display, and now next test, game test, GTA San Andreas. Offline mode, graphics level max, and resume game. Game load on the max graphic level, works good, without lags and glitches. Perfect gameplay. Okay, game works very good. Close this and talk about camera. Main camera 12 plus 12 megapixels double camera and front camera 8 megapixels. And now I show you photos on the main camera. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.